Right, you're clear, John. There you are, you're out. Cracking views though, eh?
Yeah. You know, it's actually could get on the bike this out here through the clues again, man. Smell.
You were starting to smell.
Aye, chips. Every time I come out of the bike, the better confident I get. So it's just a practice thing. Let's see if you guys can use from me. So.
I've not. I've not.
You've got a lot more miles than me, so you've got thousands of miles on it.
Not that many, I've only got about 30,000.
Aye. I'm on 4. No, 4.5 mil.
No, but mind you done miles on your other bike, or your other bikes.
Only that, about 1,000 miles a day. Yeah, to do. Oh, that looks lovely, eh?
Does it?
The better I do, the better. I can feel myself even now. I'm way more confident than I was, say, in March when I first started.
Yeah, yeah.
Is that right, Charles?
Aye.
Used to be a biker's cafe in there.
Alright, it's the pedals.
Aye, go on now.
It's been out for a long time. I think it's been shot for at least 18 years.
Wow. How are my lights looking, John?
They're looking excellent, mate. They're nice and bright. Very clear.
The way they should be.
Yep.
You're going to have to beat the real light. You'll be up for 5 minutes.
John's trying not to put the feet down. Look at him. John's still gone. We'll take that round, John.
Yeah.
You think you've got a sat nav on? I've got a sat nav in my head.
Aye. But at the exam, I'll tell you what the company.
I don't the turn off us. And when the road goes quite wide, it's quite narrow. That's it. That's my reference point.
There you go.
Like I thought your nav 6 was supposed to be all singing and all dancing.
It's not, but it's taking it a different route to where you're going.
Oh, right.
It's because yours has got a Henshaw, or got a Henshaw rather than Henshaw.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
You couldn't get better biking with that, to be honest.
Lovely, isn't it?
Which is why some of the bikes are out.
Yesterday wasn't as good as today.
Oh no, today's better weather-wise.
You had a bit of wind yesterday, eh?
Oh, aye, aye.
No, the wind, I don't bother with the wind. But
I'm going to hate the wind. It's the one thing I don't like. I don't even mind the rain or that.
water's traveller.
Moggate. No, it's warm, eh?
Yeah, it's good. Like I say, I've got this air gear now, so it's what a difference it makes. It's only to be a slow traffic light belt.
Aye.
True story, my wife, my kids got me an Apple Watch 4 years ago for my birthday. I was like, oh, thanks for the watch, blah blah blah. I put it on and all that. First day I don't know.
You lost it?
I had to do the same that. That's exactly what I did. I had to do the same and buy a new one. Get it all set up before the fucking kids lost the other one. Yep, you stayed the right turn. You're a genius. Is that not bad?
I've been in this for quite a few times.
John, unlike us, unlike us, Stevie's knowledgeable.
And I was actually taking it in this road.
There you go. So it was one.
I thought we were going further that way.
You need me quick, John. There's a car coming.
Tap my buggy that way.
Ah, plenty of room.
It's lovely up here, eh?
Yeah, you.
Lovely, yeah. It's just great being on roads where there's no traffic, eh?
I watched the YouTube video where the guy was talking about the roads, right? He was talking about the lanes, saying there's 60 mile an hour, it's going to be traffic. These American guys were going, what?
Yeah.
They build them with corners up. All their corners are 90 degrees and traffic. To be fair, the coach from Seattle down to San Fran to LA is fucking amazing. I mean, lots of corners, making really tight headwinds and great views.
Yeah. Aye, great roads.
Best of one.
Hey, in my seat that time. I'm straight on.
Another deed badger. That's 2 badgers we've seen, John. Have been terminated. Aye.
Hadrian's Wall to the right.
There you go, just go down there then. So that's where we're going. We'll go right to Hadrian's Wall.
Aye.
If I can say Hadrian's Wall.
The wall.
Well, that was the whole point of it.
Yeah, that's what I mean. So we'll go to Hadrian's Wall. So what it says. To be fair, in all the days we've had so far, we've been pretty lucky, like.
Aye. You're a lucky mascot for the weather, John.
What I do is I just look at the weather map, see where there's the least amount of cloud and the highest temperature. Go there.
That's what Alec does as well.
It's quite accurate as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the best. They used to use humans to do planning. Oh, well, I can't think what they call it. Computer simulations.
Forecast.
But AI does it. AI does a computer simulations to pretty accurate because it takes into account the weather.
Yeah, yeah.
Roads on the which way are we going?
Take the left.
Left.
So what's next up?
Left, aye. So you're glad you got the wee wind deflector then, John?
Yeah, it's definitely made a difference, like.
It's good, eh?
It's-
And it doesn't look out of place either.
It ain't quite, you know what I mean? It's
I know.
Go on AliExpress.
It's great, that place, eh? I like Temu as well, but it's a bloody adverts. When you log on to it, spin this, spin that, and you're trying to look for
Stop
something.
that. Stop it.
Can you? You'll need to show me how.
Right, so where's the wall?
We're
Wall
right along
garage.
the bit.
I know about the share a bit.
Yeah, there's a tube to that.
Yeah.
You're the one that can't have. There's no wee wall, by the way.
It stays it's here somewhere, so. Oh,
Look, found it.
there you go.
That must be that bit, that's all done.
That'll be it. That'll be it. I've seen enough.
There's one of the gatehouses. Stop me anytime.
That's neat. That's what it says the wall was. Excellent. Seen it. Speed camera. They always hide them, don't they? It's definitely here.
This is a cracking wee place, eh? Spotless as well. Absolutely spotless.
Right, it should be 400 feet, so it should be right in front of
There.
you. There you go. Love ways. Oh, it's been done, Timmy.
And me.
Yeah, I'll wave to him. And there's still bikers. I'll wave to everybody on 2 wheels. No carriageway.
You can actually go either way according to this. I thought.
Can you see the wall being built across the carriageway?
That's a strange. I've never seen this before in the sat nav. It's got 2 ways I can go.
Well, it's saying left here, eh?
Right, so. Oh no, I get what it is. If we're going to go up then turn around to the other side.
Oh, and come back down.
Aye, so you're taking the first left, round around about and then back up
Aye.
the middle carriageway.
Said there's a speed camera up here.
So I've got that.
Hey, Cardo, radio off. Cardo, radio off.
Is your radio off now?
Yeah. So what am I heading for then? What's the name of the place?
Henshaw.
Henshaw.
Hen,
Henshaw. H-E-N. Shaw.
like a chicken.
Well,
Hotel Echo November.
checking on a bicycle.
Yes.
Taking people to do it. You're turning right here.
Aye, go for it. No, do it. Keep going. Keep going. Henshaw is fun road anyway, so just keep going. And that might have been out there because I think this is Henshaw.
Well, we can turn
It's
this.
not
Turn.
Yeah. You're way past it. Turn in the garage. Which one?
That's nice.
We're going there.
They were supposed to be. It was lost, absolutely.
Well,
We're going to.
that sign back there for Hadrian as well, should we not have taken that one?
Oh,
That's a. Oh, why? Right, so.
she's looking at it from Google Earth. We should ask the docs where to go to get a better clue.
We're following the signs, so. That's all we could do. Ah, right, we got a problem.
That'll
Say
do.
this on it.
Yeah.
Aye. We'll go this way. Spy I go, make the lead. You get on the key.
No, you should be the cameraman.
Ah, you're easy, you just stay in the back with it. Let it pass.
That's plenty of room. Get in there. it's a 4x4. The
Aye.
four-wheel drive, it go the grass.
Aye, that means you just not make much noise when you raise your dog at me.
Hello, cows. Moo.
I'm going to turn in here and let that car go by. She stopped for us.
He stopped for us. It flashed us about 10 minutes ago.
Oh, I get them some. Right, I'm letting him go by. So. Right, so it's been the latter main car park just ahead of us. Then the latter boat. So, there's no place up in here, guys. Oh, there it is. There it is. There, right.
There you go.
Coming for. Yes, on. Right, going to.
Bit like yourself, John.
Missed the bus. Missed the bus. Motorcycles only. What are you going in here?
Why is that coach? Why is that coach in the motorcycle bay?
He's actually not. He's just at the edge of it.
Oh man, getting this lot there. It's slippy as hell.
It's a bit in the middle of nowhere, like, but we made it.
Oh, it's a bit.
Which is quite slippy there. Eh?
Aye.
Aye, it was slippy here as well on the white bits.
No, it's just
Was-
mucky.
Yeah, he's got the whole car park, and he's got to park right next to motorcycles. What are you looking at?